Okay, hello people, hello everyone. I'm live after a long time, but it's yet another important thing I want to talk about. As I see another actor taking his life, though I don't know if it's a suicide or not, but see, mental health is very important, as important as your breath is for you. If you have the right mindset, if you have the stronger mental health, then you can like go through anything in your life actually, whether it is pain, whether it is stress, whether it is going through this lockdown, anything, because your stronger mindset will let you find the solution to any problem. Have that touch of spirituality with yourself, because it's very important. Once you have that touch and your connection, then it will never be making you worry or making you less and less affected by the toxicity that surrounds us. It can be the news that we read, it can be the people we talk to, it can be so you become the source of positivity, source of spreading love, source of spreading smiles. Many are doing it, we all can do it. That's our real nature of being a human. But living this life in this world, sometimes we forget that. Today I was just sitting, and while I read that, I was like little bit worried about what all is happening, because mental health, knowingly or unknowingly, is getting affected because of a lot of reasons. It can be personal, it can be professional. So rather than blaming others or making others pay for something, that is not our true nature. Our true nature is to be the source, to be the source of true inspiration, to be the source of true joy, to be the source of love, source of happiness, source of peace, source of giving away lots and lots of smiles. That's how it can be. Many people just are happy even with a lot of stress surrounding them, because their mental health is so strong that they know they'll find the solution. They're connected to their true self, true divine self. Make this a habit. Meditate. Even if you're doing it for 2 minutes, it will play a very, very important role in giving you that mental health, and having the proper connection of your mind, body, and soul, which lets us live this life, right? The soul is immortal, but you have to have gratitude for this body and for this mind, through which you actually can do a lot of things. A healthy body lives in a healthy mind. Always remember that. You have to do a lot of things to keep both of them happy, like healthy and happy. You exercise for a, like I would say, for a very healthy body. But what about the mind? What about the soul? They also need the food. Yoga is a very good amalgamation, where your body and mind are having an amazing connection. That's why people can do so amazing asanas, because that connection is there. So have that connection with your soul as well. When all these three will have a proper connection and your chakras will be aligned, you can do anything. You can make people understand I'm sure everyone knows the importance of this life. And many will, like my sister here, will make fun of me, but it's okay, I will still speak. Because whatever I feel, I want to convey. Even if one person listen to this and is going through some silent stress, some silent pain, and they get through it, or they understand what I want to say and they do it, they practice it, I think making this video would be a success for me. This lockdown has more than anything else, physical, financial, or any other stress. It's more of a mental stress for people right now. And all over the world, I'm not talking about my just India, all over the world. I talk to my friends outside, they tell me the same thing. So there is something missing, right? Something people are not doing right. We're just living this life. Make it worthwhile. Make it the life that you want to live a legacy of, I would say. Or at least just be in gratitude and spread these smiles that you have, the beautiful smiles. Spread the love around, spread the knowledge that you have, and be more and more humbled. A tree with more and more fruits is more and more grounded and more, I would say, bow down, which which is how you should be. Whatever you achieve in your life, never leave the roots of a true human that you should be. That's how we can bring magic, or like this magic, not only in our life but in others' lives as well. And it's very important. A strong mindset can go through anything with a smile, and taking people along with her or him, and making them also understand the importance of a strong mindset and a stronger soul. So don't give up on little problems that are coming. Don't give up on little roadblocks that you are having, whether personally or professionally. You can go through it. You can do anything actually. Just talk to the people around you who love you, who supports you. Can be your family, can be your friends, but have a support system around. Sometimes even a stronger mindset and a stronger soul also needs that. And keep motivating others, and don't forget to motivate yourself. It all starts with you, then it comes to others. If you cannot convince yourself for that motivation, how will you convince others, right? So do that. It is as important, as I said, breathing and living this life is. Make it worthwhile. That's it. Take care and stay strong, and I'm here to listen. Bye bye.